these are the leather tabs used to hold down the battery box lid on the Jaguar XK120 fixed head and fixed head coupe and drop head coupe models. They are made in leather. We've done this in our smooth finished leather there, as you can see, in suede green. We've actually also got a biscuit one going through at the same time in the grained finish there. They're cut on our clicker press using a tool that we had made, so you can see it gets a lovely neat finish going around there. It's 2 layers of leather, and we actually put a strengthening material in between them to help it not stretch over time. Like I say, they were used on the battery box lids for the Jaguar XK120 fixed head and drop head coupe model. So just behind the seats on those cars, they had a box with the batteries in. Easiest to show you in a book. It's that little leather tab right there. And if you see here, these are the battery boxes tilting forward and toolbox tilting forward, etc. on those. So it's just this little leather tab here that we use to keep it down in place when all assembled up in place. So we sell them individually. You only need one per car, or they are included as part of our trim kit. See our website for more details.